Bansheeboating, baby!
Very good. Close. Bansheeboat for everything boating. These maneuvers could be dangerous if not operating the boat properly. Do so at your own risk. Make sure to always have boating safety equipment, pleasurecraft license on board, and always wear your PFD. Be conscious of those around you. Respect the shared waterway. Remember, never drink alcohol on boat. Always play safe on the water.
What's up, and welcome to Bansheeboat. There was this little boat right here, and this little boat has a name, and the name is Bradley. And I wanted to get it going, take it out, throw the 5 Mercury on there, and take it for a rip. Okay, so first look right here, there's a crack in there, that could be a hole. It's pretty scuffed up on the bottom, so that might have to be repaired. Okay, so let's take a look. Whew. First impressions, this bench is gonna blow. I don't know if I'm a little too heavy for it or what, but so there's a couple holes in it. So the first thing I think I'm gonna do is put a new back on this, something that's a little more solid so the back doesn't rip off when I get the motor on. And this is really gross. So I'm gonna have to take that off. Let's see. So I'm just gonna grind these off, clean it up a little bit here, and I'm gonna get a nice piece of wood, throw that on here so we can mount that motor. A couple of the holes, you know, I'm just gonna take another look at them and see if I really even need to patch them at all, because I just wanna go for a quick rip. I don't wanna go far, you know, I'm gonna wear a life jacket, I just wanna get this baby on the water. So I think I'm gonna go maybe this wide. It's nice and square. Okay, 13 by 23 inches. So 13. 13. I'm thinking something like this. Looks good. The other one on the back, I'm good with that. This looks pretty rough here. I'm not even sure what's going on, but looks good from the outside. So I'm ready to start mixing some gas and go for a rip. Whatever, fuck it. I don't even need a drill hole in it. Okay, so there we are. Okay, I'm ready to ride. I'm ready to roll, baby. This, just here, that's easy. Okay. You need a baler. I do need a baler because this boat got my baler. Gonna need it because my boat's got a lot of holes. Yeah, yeah. Okay, baler's in. Let's see what happens. So I have to come up back on the shore quick. It's not a big deal because we're close. Stay close.
I'm concerned about the holes in the back that I see.
Oh yeah? I'm concerned about the ones on the bottom. Okay, setting this shit up. You gotta get going, dude. Okay, there we go. See that? Put that over. Get this wood up. It's in. Just that one's in the middle. Hold tight to these. I don't want to lose this, but I am not going more than 10 feet away at first. Well, if everything goes well, I might push the envelope then. This is how you bail the most water out. Coming in north, coming in hot, or coming in fucking cold, should I say? There you go. You sit on that too. You good?
I think it's too much.
No, it's not. It's fine. Okay. It'll clean out good. I'm only worried about the back end here, and it's fine. Your weight doesn't affect it.
So fucking sketchy. Okay.
All control back here. You can tell me what's going on back there. Make sure everything's good. That's all. That's all. If we went in, no problem.
I don't want to go in. It's fine. I don't want to go in.
Okay.
You dropped it.
In forward, in forward.
You dropped it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Come on. Did it die? There's the baler. The baler's gone. Oh my god. What's going on?
Fine.
Why did it stop?
One sec. I have to remain calm. It was home, of course. Don't worry, baby. We're going to get the baler. I'm going to get the baler real soon. We're good. We got pressure coming. There we go. Good gas. Get the baler ready. There we go. There we go.
Okay.
Don't happen again. Got it?
Yeah.
Bada boom, bada bingo. Woo!
Let me off. Let me go to land.
Wanna go that? Your land.
Let me go to my fucking land.
You ready? One more.
No,
Okay,
Andy,
okay.
I don't want to. No.
Okay, go.
Let me off.
You know, I like to relax a little bit different than some people like to relax. Got it. I got something for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
This is Bansheeboat, and today we're going on a rip.
Some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with.
Bansheeboating, baby! Check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.